Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your Zoho Books subscription. Keeping your subscription active ensures uninterrupted access to Zoho's powerful accounting tools, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Open your web browser, go to the Zoho Books homepage, enter your login credentials, and click Sign In. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to manage your subscription. Next, locate and click the Subscribe button, usually found in the top right corner. This takes you to the subscription management page, where you can view your current plan and explore updates or changes. Click on Upgrade Plan. Even if you're just renewing your current plan, this is the way to proceed. Don't worry, selecting this won't automatically change your plan. You'll then be directed to a page where you can choose your plan, whether keeping the same one or exploring other options. Once you've made your choice, click Upgrade and then continue to move forward. Now confirm your selections by clicking Confirm. This shows you're satisfied with the plan and ready to enter billing details. Provide accurate information to avoid any issues. Then enter your payment details, such as your credit card or preferred payment method. Finally, click Make Payment. This submits your details and completes the renewal process. You should receive a confirmation ensuring your Zoho Books subscription remains active without interruption. And that's it. A simple and straightforward way to renew your Zoho Books subscription. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Zoho Books tips and tutorials.